Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable keyboard laptop Windows 11. To start, we will right-click on Start, and there we will open the Device Manager. Now you are going to go to the keyboard section. Here, right-click on the keyboard and click on the option, Uninstall Device. You will see a pop-up window. Click on Uninstall. Then for your keyboard to be disabled on your laptop, click Yes for the system to be rebooted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.